Hello everybody, and how are you today? Absolutely splendid? I thought so.
I have made up a ClipTASTIC family who loves soccer. Are you ready to get started? We're going to have a ball. Click on your assignment, ClipTASTIC. Then go to View Assignment. Then go to Add or Create. Open up Google Drawings. Click on the Drawings document and open it. Click on the image icon and then search the web. This is really important. Type in ClipArt as your first word. Then type in something that you would like to search for. I search for ClipArt Boy Soccer. Click on the image that you like and then press Insert at the bottom. Click on one of the corners of the image and resize to suit. Click on the Insert Image icon again, search the web, and then look for your next ClipArt image. I chose ClipArt Girl Soccer. Select the image and then press Insert at the bottom of the page. Go to your image icon and select Search from the web and select your next image. I tried ClipArt Dad Soccer, didn't work, so then I tried ClipArt Man Soccer and found one that was perfect. Select your image and then press Insert. Now I'll choose my last image. You might like to choose more. I noticed an image that would be perfect in the last search. Here she is. Click on her and then press Insert. Resize her and move to Suit. Don't forget, if you make a mistake, you can go up to the Undo button at the top. Next, select the text box and type in your title. My cool family love playing soccer. Because it's a title, all the beginning letters need to be capitals, so we'll go back and fix that. Then I'll center the text and we can resize it. 30 points looks pretty good. Change the font. I'm choosing Luckiest Guy, and then also change the color. I think I'll make love purple. Select another text box and add your name and your class. Then label all the members of your family. Here's me, then my dad, then my mum, and then my brother. Once you have finished, click back to your Classwork tab. Then click on Turn In, and when the dialog box pops up, click on Turn In again.
Absolutely splendid.